This is a review of gold melting furnace instruction. Here is the user manual. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. Here we have the gloves. There we go. Turn on and off. And if you want to see copper, gold, silver settings and temperatures, also aluminum, lead, stannum settings, right there, all the temperature settings. And this is the LCD screen, and these are some of the buttons we can use. Let's go ahead and start and melt something. I have some aluminum and I'm gonna go ahead and make it small. I'm gonna put it in the furnace kit. I just plugged it over there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Right now it is 980 Celsius degrees. We can make it 1000 for sure, something like that. Since we're using aluminum, 800 Celsius degrees is enough. Just turn it on. That's why I'm not using the gloves. I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside. This is aluminum. We're gonna go ahead and come back and check after 1 hour. Now it's 858 Celsius degrees. I have a can over here. Let's see what we have so far. I think it's ready. Since this is aluminum and 900 is enough, we can go ahead and check it out. Wow, check this out. This is awesome. When you do this, you need to be quick. Weather is too cold right now, that's why. Now we can go ahead and take it out. Let's see it closely. How about this? Wow, check this out. I feel like I'm a scientist. You see, this is pure aluminum. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one inside and do it one more time. I put the aluminum inside again, and I'm gonna do the same process one more time because I like it. This is the second time I'm testing it. I'm gonna take it out. There we go. Oh my god, I put it too much. Oops, again. Since this is my first time, that's why I need to be careful. Alrighty, let's see the bottom part. Wow, check this out. Do you like it, guys?
Yes, yes. Take them apart.
Right there. I can definitely suggest this furnace kit. It's because we were able to melt copper, gold, silver, aluminum, etc. As you can see, we did the experiment and it was very successful. That's why I can suggest this furnace kit. Okay, I always wanted to do this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it directly to the water. Let's see what's gonna happen. Here we go. Oh, look at that. It seems something, but I don't know what it is.
Is it hot? Because it was just...
Yes,
Wait,
it's hot.
Put it in some ice.
Let's put it inside.